Ah, real guy. He's down.
Part of it's the same game.
Oh, we lost.
Let's try for loading. See how it goes.
That guy was real. Did he have special? No. They're still down low. Are we holding them or no?
Oh yeah.
Downed one. Killed one. One in here. Saw him here. He's in here. Real guy?
That. Wow, dude, he's fucking wrecked.
Oh my god.
Downed him.
This nigga
He's
shooting
dead.
out the air. He's so
Yep.
thirsty.
Yep. Got him. So
Thank you.
that guy on top of roof probably had special. I'm gonna go for it. No, he did not have special.
I think the special team is still up there. Like I keep.
Guy on me. Hit him a couple times.
We're holding these guys. We're holding them. We're holding them. Oh god, guy to my right. Fuck. Went too far.
Shit, I'm dead.
Immediate left. Okay.
You went upstairs.
Guys, you're right. Good shit. He might have specialist.
That guy did not, but whatever.
Still a guy, I think, and still in.
What's that right there, Logan?
Selfie. Oh, he's black. I just heard.
Yep,
Or the
I thought the
Hotspur.
same fucking thing. His fucking fire detector.
Shit. Guy's just coming up right now.
How's that? Oh my god, ripping me up. Frankish cowboy.
Cracked one.
They're in here, pink.
Yeah, this is the rank team.
Yep.
Oh, the skin.
Whoa!
How the fuck did he know I was on the roof?
Dude, they are just ripping me off of headies.
Oh, I'm in trouble.
We're dead.
Sean, a gas mask?
What up? Yeah, I can't. In theory, you can buy a
well,
loadout too.
Yeah, I always get away from the buy real quick after I buy.
Yep, smart.
Zero can buy a loadout if he can get there.
It's all good, it's all good.
Some gas?
I got there. I don't know where to throw it though.
You're fine, dude.
Here. Not that. This.
Prison roof is clear. Drop the
Oh, let's
loadie.
get up there. I want that loadie so bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop this too.
Oh, damn it. Whatever.
Oh.
Late game, we'll be alright. Look to the right. Guys low.
Got him.
Oh, come on, y'all. Oh,
They bought back.
We have the biggest team.
I'm on roof.
Yep,
They're
Damn.
low. They're low.
yep.
Napalm. That's me, that's me.
Guys below us.
Yeah, that's where they are. They're low. It's better than the no gas mask I have.
There's a loading box
Kill
here.
one. Kill one.
Okay, two left, two left.
Oh, that's Iris.
He bought
Oh,
back.
I
Bought
get
back.
hit by the fucking airstrike.
He's on roof.
Cracked him. He's gonna die in that gas. He got cracked bad.
I got him coming down the stairs.
Two in there. They're both in here. Just hold the buys.
Oh, buys are on the gas. So.
Cracked him up.
Found one of them.
Did. Oh no. I thought that was it.
I don't know where he's
Oh,
at over
there's
here.
He's in the
left,
gas,
still
he's in
one
the
left.
gas, he's in the gas.
Fucking dying. Come on, buddy.
He's out the back. Got him.
Nice, Steve.
I just hit one bullet, maybe.
Oh
Mhm.
man.
You still see his glory.
I don't even
Well,
hit him there.
Hit marker.
I don't even think I hit him there.
That's the team that diddied me, so I started spinning after we beat him. I
Nice,
really
dude.
wanted him to know that the guy he did, he beat him.
Nice work, Steve. Thanks, Bebs. Oh, fucking heater right now, boys. That's awesome.
Wrecking crew.
Let's throw it 3 in a row.
Wrecking crew.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely.
It's only appropriate.
And I love the blacks. So
We heard that beep and thought the same thing. Like, oh man.
Fuck.